So, today I have a very special project that I need to do. Very special project that I've been entrusted to do, I should say. So, it is cold. I mean, really cold. As you can see right here, it's -0. I didn't know it could be -0, but apparently is. We have like 0 wood. That is what heats our house. My job is to take this guy and figure out how to make it work, first of all, and then I need to go chop up a bunch of wood down there and bring it back here so we can build some fires and warm up the house. Let's see what we're working with. I don't think this is gonna work. And I need to figure out how to tune this thing so when I start it up, it isn't just wee, 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 wee. I'm like super high right now because I've killed several brain cells trying to dissect this thing. I did find carburetor adjustment. I did find the section on how to start it up. Let's see what we can do with this bad boy. Time for a nacho break. So Alex made me some awesome nachos, but then she asked me to take the trash out. So I guess I kind of should. Okay, it was a successful trash run, successful nachos. They were excellent. Now I need to find some dang gas for this chainsaw. Seriously, this might be my greatest challenge today. Trying to find something in here. I'll call my dad and see if he knows what this crap is.
Hello?
Hey Dad, I found a gas can in the basement. Do you know if you put chainsaw gas and oil in that?
If it does mix, it should have just stayed mixed. It should be for chainsaw.
Yeah, it was by the garage door, kinda.
Yeah, it's probably,
I found the gas, although I'm thinking it's not just the gas problem. I think I need to do some adjustments in the carburetor. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some gas in this, then I'm gonna go over to my grandparents' place and see if my grandpa has like a tool or something for this.
Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
Hey Grandpa, the carburetor needs to be adjusted because it just kind of bogs out. I need something that I can turn it with, that I don't have any sort of screwdriver or anything that can do it. Hey Grandma.
I'm in my robe and relaxing.
Hi guys and welcome back. Today's video is just a quick tip.
Kind of feels like it's on there.
Why don't you start it up and let's see.
Better than I think what it was. That's good.
All right, so my grandpa helped me get the chainsaw going. So now it's time to go down there and really test and see if it works. I've been cutting wood out here for a little bit. The chainsaw is not working that great. All right, so the deal is I was able to cut a little more wood by basically just maxing out the chainsaw. I was like a madman, basically. There's a bunch of wood right here I just cut through super fast. However, this thing just cut out on me again. I think I'm just gonna throw some of this stuff in the back, head up, and I'll deal with the chainsaw. Golly. All right, I think that's enough wood for right now. I'm gonna take it back up to the house. All right, so I'm all done for today. I got my project taken care of. As you can see here, got a big old stack of wood. That should set us straight for a few days. Wasn't without its challenges. I put sweat, blood straight in the nose, and tears into this today, so I hope it's worth it. All right, well, thanks for following me on my adventure today. We'll see you next time.